Hey guys, it's me, Pandora. It's not Cyborg anymore because so many people said they couldn't find it. So I just changed it to make it easier for people to find me. And yeah, so let's play some Happy Wheels and let's just get it on. Let's go. Okay, try to escape. Let's play this one. Yeah, whoa, whoa, yeah, whoa, yeah, whoa. Okay, try to escape. Okay. You got 10 seconds. Wait, I don't got enough time. Wait, I gotta start over. Hurry up before I die. Okay. Don't I have to break it with this? Yes, I got it. Okay, go, 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 go. Leave the place. I did it. Woo, yeah, I survived. I can fly. Are you serious? I'm gonna try that again. It's because I wasn't paying attention. That's what happened. I wasn't paying attention. That's exactly what happened. Break that glass. Break it. Break it. Okay, don't get stabbed. Whatever you do, do not get stabbed by the glass. Go. No, where are you going? No! Yeah, I'm dead. No! No. At least I'm safe. At least I'm safe. At least I'm... No. Yeah, I'm gonna reset it. I'm gonna reset it. That was an epic fail. Try again. Oh, first try. Lift your muscly arms up. No! Oh my god, man. Oh wait, I can still do... No, I can't. Whatever. I keep making mistakes. I know I can beat it. I know I can beat it. I don't know if y'all know, but I know I can beat it. Play this one. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Go. Speed. Speed. I wonder if I can kill my son. Oops. Sorry. Not really sorry, but don't stab your butt. Let's go. I'm gonna beat this. It's so easy, man. I'm a little sick. No. No. Okay. Beach mode. This is so freaking boring. This is an easy freaking level they made. Only way you can mess up is if you do something stupid. Don't do nothing stupid. Yeah, don't do nothing stupid. If you do, I will be really sad. Really sad. God dang, how long is this freaking game? Sorry for the light. Wait, the light back there. The light right there. Cause it's just the light. I just need to get new blinds. Ah, why? Oh yes, it's done. Yeah, I did it! We were war. Ha ha ha. Wait, what? Yeah, I did it. That's all I needed to say. I beat it. That took forever. Okay. Sword throw. This is the Evil D. Evil D. When you are with a villager, fight all sorts of evil in the one of the kings in the tummy. Hey! I think he's just one of his fans, or is a YouTuber or something like that. Jack Sparrow Eyes, what's up? Yeah, he's probably doing a shout out for somebody. But this, oh shoot! Oh, okay. Let's go. I'm a ninja. Kobe. Oh. Kobe! Oh, right in the face! Kobe! I was about to say, if that hit him. Kobe! Ooh. Kobe! Scissors! Hit him! Oh, man. Yeah. Terrible throw. My bad. Sword. Oh! Jelly beans! Okay. I gotta time it. Hiya! Scissors! Nope. Wait. Nope. I thought I was gonna fall. Okay. I gotta hit this one or I'll lose. Come on, guys. Grab it! Lean back at it. Why? 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 Okay, one more level, because this is just getting on my freaking nerves. There. 99 impossible. If I beat this, I'll think differently from Happy Wheels. What is that? Hello? Okay.